Hey Ben, man, I think I might need a hi-hat or something to keep me on since I'm just providing a beat for the acapella, you know what I'm sizzling? Alright. Yeah, like that. What I'm about to do, I'm about to give y'all the verse I did with Bone. I was supposed to do with Bone, called Speed of Sound. They ain't never put it out, so I'm gonna give it to you right now. Check it out. I be coming like an Autobahn, I'm murdering everything. I'm a killer with the mission to flip it. I'm sick with the giver, the living. I be itching to give it, the whipping, the wicked. I stick it with the cricket and digging it. Nigga, like I said it before, I'ma get up and go and get it because I'm Mr. Malignant, keeping you riveted, living the polygamous cinnamon. In a chicken, a minute, second, ain't be kicking it. I flow for the Middle West, go for your little neck. Don't let me get it with your hoe, I'ma get it west. I flow for the Middle West, go for your little neck. Don't let me get it with your hoe, I'ma get it west. Stop and drop on top of twat in your kitchen. Not the guap I pop without an admission. Stop and drop on top of twat in your kitchen. Not the guap I pop without an admission. Healing from misery. You can smell out the hell and the misery. Just remember me to deliveries and I'm making a shivery. I'm taking my little city to lyrical liberty. I go for the gusto and lead the ground. No push to beat around. All of it with choppers on this track and yes, so we it down. Take a nigga with phone, everybody gets on. Other MCs, we a clown. And we do it like a bullet from a gun, nobody get the speed of sound.